Mobile devices are ditching headphone jacks at a brisk clip. So if your new Android smartphone or Apple iPad Pro ships without that precious port, you may have to purchase a wireless headset to listen in on podcasts, music, or video. Or maybe not. You can still use your device's USB-C port with your favorite headphones or lavalier. The new Galaxy A53 or A33 phone doesn't have a port for headphones, so this adapter, the USB-C to 3.5mm audio adapter, lets you connect 3.5mm audio accessories to your earbuds, headphones, and probably even use your lavalier microphone using the USB port. I'm not sure about the sound quality just yet, but we're gonna try it out and you can see for yourself. It's compatible with MacBook and most of your mobile phones, just name it. As long as it has a USB-C port, this audio adapter is compatible. When using with a MacBook or Windows laptop, this adapter is recognized as a sound card with a headset function, and thus it can also be used as a microphone adapter. If your headphones have a 3.5mm headphone jack, you can use an adapter to enjoy amazing audio quality. In this case, we're looking at a high-tech USB-C headphone adapter. Simply plug in to your device. I've got a Samsung Galaxy A53 and a Samsung Galaxy A53 5G Android phone. Also, I have a lapel or lavalier microphone here. The trouble is that the mics have a 3.5mm jack and the Samsung has got a USB-C connector. So how do you get these two to work? That's what we're gonna look at right now. When you get one of this, it should come as a pair. Each one could function for the headset and the microphone at the same time. So we're gonna try out both cables and connect each cable to both cell phones, see how good they work with a headset. We're using the Galaxy A53 and the Galaxy A33 in this case. I already labeled this as get our cell phone. This is the A53. Insert one of the adapter. I'm gonna use the Samsung earbuds in this case. So I'm gonna plug this in. Make sure it clicks. Come back here. Choose a song. Play with YouTube music. Turn on the volume. So audio is great with the earbuds and using the A53. Now we're gonna go to the A33 and do the same thing. This is the same adapter I've been using. Connect it, make sure it clicks. Connect it all the way through. I'm gonna use the Samsung earbuds also, and I'm gonna connect this and make sure it clicks. Let's play. So it seems to work great. Now I'm gonna try the other pair. This one here, marked with an S to differentiate both of them. So we're gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna plug this one here and connect this to this. seems to be working perfectly. So basically, both of them work as a earbud connector. I'm gonna try the next. I'm gonna try the A53 right now. Connected. So here we go. So both works perfect when used as a USB-C earphone earbud connector. We're gonna proceed now and use the USB-C adapter with a lavalier. We have everything set up. So the first thing is this. This is the other one, the one marked, and this is the first one that we're gonna try out. So I get my lavalier receiver. I connect it and then switch it on. Come to my camera and play. Recording audio through headset. This is just a test to see the quality using the USB-C adapter with the Samsung Galaxy A53. Stop here. Come back here. Let's play. Headset. This is just a test to see the quality using the USB-C adapter with the Samsung Galaxy A53. So that was great audio quality. Now we're gonna switch and use the same connection, the same USB-C adapter, but we're gonna use it this time with the Galaxy A33. I'm gonna plug. Now I'm gonna start recording. So record. Recording audio through external mic. This is the testing of the USB-C adapter, but through the Samsung Galaxy A33. Let's see the quality. Let's see how good the quality is. And well, that's it. Stop. So I come back here, go to video, and video. Audio through external mic. This is the testing of the USB-C adapter, but through the Samsung Galaxy A33. Let's see the quality. Let's see how good the quality is. And well, that's it. This is the first adapter. I'm gonna change adapter now. We're gonna do the same thing, but with the other adapter. Now I'm gonna start with the A33. Connect, play. I'm using the second adapter right now to check the sound quality and differentiate whether it works with both speaker and microphone or only speaker and or microphone. So let's say that's it. Stop, remove, playback. I'm using the second adapter right now to check the sound quality and differentiate whether it works with both speaker and microphone or... Now I'm gonna do the same thing with the A53. Video, connect, connected, play. Now I'm testing, I'm recording the audio using the second USB-C adapter, but on the A53 Galaxy cell phone. So I'm gonna stop this now, playback. Now I'm testing, I'm recording the audio using the second USB-C adapter, but on the A53 Galaxy cell phone. So I'm gonna stop. In summary, this is a must-have accessory with this new age cell phones. I'm gonna leave some of the best USB-C headphones adapters out there to help you find some of them easily in the comment box below, in the description box below. Hope you found this video helpful and has given you enough information about the USB-C to 3.5mm headphone adapter. Specifically, we're talking about the Hotech USB-C to 3.5 headphone adapter. I appreciate your time watching this video. Please let me know what you guys think about the product in the comment below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button so you get notified when we upload new videos. Ciao.